What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of some silver that I recently bought from Amazon, so let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video, I sincerely appreciate it. If you would like to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is some silver I recently got from Amazon. I got it on Amazon Prime, actually, so it took like literally one day to ship to me. But we're going to open it up, see what I got, see if I got a good deal. And, I actually had a lot of people comment on one of my videos recently. They said, have you ever bought silver from Amazon? Is it a good deal? Would you recommend it? So that's what we're doing in this video. So let's first crack her open here. And just so you all know, I bought one, that's right, one American Silver Eagle for the video. So let's see here. Looks like it's in this little pouch. What do we got here? 2019 American Silver Eagle, dollar uncirculated, US Mint, collectible, like new. Okay, so I guess that's it. Let me just double check the package. Yep, that's literally the only thing that was in the package. So far, not great presentation. At least they put it in this little paper thing. It wasn't just loose in there. I wonder if it's in a flip or not. Let's crack it open and see. And then I'll tell you how much I paid for it and all that good stuff. So we got a little like card here thing. I don't know. We'll go over that in a sec. Let's see the silver. Oh, it is in a flip. That's cool. So an American Silver Eagle. So far looks to be real and legit. That's good. Not a fake American Silver Eagle. That would be terrible if I bought a fake eagle off of Amazon. No, this is a real eagle. Yeah, looks great actually. Yeah, and they said uncirculated like new. I would say this is definitely uncirculated. Not really seeing any issues with it at all. So let's get it out of the flip here. And I'm going to handle it because, why not? It's an eagle. These are just bullion, but that's sort of how I get them out there. So check it out. Pretty nice. Now I actually paid a lot more than I thought I was going to have to pay for this. So yeah, it's like free shipping because I'm an Amazon Prime member and all that. But I paid over $32 for one eagle. And this was the cheapest one, I believe. So let's look at this little card here. Certificate of Authenticity, American Silver Eagle 1 ounce uncirculated coin, United States Mint. Specifications, here we go. Denomination $1, that's correct. Finish, uncirculated. Okay, I guess we'll go with that. Composition, 99.93% silver. Yes, that is correct. Diameter, 1.598 inches. Okay, that's kind of funny. When you do diameters for coins, you always do them in millimeters, not inches. So I don't know why they put that in inches. It's like 40.3 millimeters, I think. It's something like that. So that's kind of weird. Weight, 1 troy ounce. That is correct. Let's see. Edge reeded. Yep. Okay. To preserve the beauty of your coin, store it in a cool, dry place. I guess I agree with that. I'm not really sure why they put this little thing in there. Maybe it's for like if you bought this as a gift or something. I don't know. So coins design, that all looks correct. Coin artist, that looks correct to me. Okay, here we go. We certify this is a genuine coin minted and issued in accordance with public law. This coin was minted by the United States Mint and is legal tender of the United States. Then there's their website down there. So I guess smyrnacoin.com is the person that sent this to me. Not affiliated with the U.S. Mint or any government agency. That is correct. So yeah, this is a little card that Mint, I guess, makes to send out with their eagles. So, was this a good deal? Should you be buying silver off of Amazon? Well, if you're paying $32 an ounce for silver, you're paying too much. So the spot price, as I'm filming the video, is almost $19. It's like $18.93, I think, currently. So that is a heavy premium. I mean that's higher than APMEX pricing. Now, of course, I didn't have to pay for shipping, so that's cool, but way too expensive. So if you're just buying this like as a novelty, if you just want one of them, or if you need like some sort of add-on, I guess, for your order off Amazon, I still wouldn't do it. I think it's way too overpriced. In fact, let's actually go over to the computer and we'll look at the pricing real quick. All right, so this is Amazon.com. We got the one here for $32.99. I think that's the one I bought. Actually, that's a 2020, so maybe not. Here's one a little more expensive, $36, but that's another date there. Trying to find the one I bought. Here it is, $32.99. So that's the one I got. Here's another one. That's a 2020 though. And this one here's a little cheaper, $30.99, so not on Prime, but I guess I could have gotten an Eagle for slightly less. I guess I overpaid a couple bucks. Doesn't really matter what date you get, right? It's an ounce of silver, so yeah, I didn't get the cheapest one. There's the $30.99, but still, I feel like it's overpriced, even though it does have the free shipping. Probably have to wait a little longer on shipping because it's not Prime, but whatever. So let me show you SD Bullion's website. This is where I prefer to buy my silver from. They're a large, trusted bullion dealer. You got Eagles here for $25.17, so way cheaper to buy an Eagle from SD. Now, I actually have a link in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. But when you're buying silver, you really just want the cheapest price possible. So these random year Eagles, if you're wanting to get Eagles, this is what I would recommend buying right now. I know the price of silver has been sneaking up. So maybe get them sooner than later. I know that having a $6 premium is still kind of high, and you do have to buy 4 for the free shipping, but still better than Amazon. So there you have it. This wasn't the best purchase, but all in all, at least they did send me silver, so that's good. I'm happy it wasn't a fake coin or something like that, so good job, Amazon, for actually having real silver and sending it to me. But the price point is just not at a place where I would recommend this for anyone else. This little piece of paper, I mean, this is completely worthless. I could print these out myself. I don't think this is worth, like the $5 extra to buy this off of Amazon. So, it's a complete joke. Really, when you're buying silver, all you want is the actual silver, right? This is what we're looking for, and we want this at the lowest price possible. So all in all, I would say if you want to buy silver off of Amazon, I can't find any good deals on there. There might be some better deals. I tried looking for generic silver rounds and stuff like that, but honestly, the prices were just way higher compared to the bullion dealers. So I would always recommend going to a bullion dealer over buying from Amazon. Now, I actually did just make a video recently on the best places to buy silver. So I talk about other bullion dealers. I talk about buying it locally. If you want to buy silver and you haven't watched that video yet, I'll put a link up in the corner as well as one in the description down below. And I want to know from you all, have you tried to buy silver from Amazon? Were you able to find a good deal? Do you think it's just a scam or like a novelty or something like that? I suppose if you're literally just buying this as a gift and you already have the person's information put in your Amazon account and you want to just mail it directly to them, that might be all right, but I don't know. I feel like it's still too high of a price point. You could get them cheaper somewhere else. If you wanted to buy literally just one and get free shipping, I know that Modern Coin Mart does free shipping on literally every single order, so you could order like just one Eagle from them. So that might be something to consider. I honestly think that Amazon is just taking advantage of people that don't know how much these are supposed to cost. If you look at the United States Mint website and you just want to buy an American Silver Eagle, you can get like a certified, uncirculated one for, I think they're going for like 50 or 60 bucks. So maybe if you looked on there and then you looked on Amazon, you're like, hey, this is way cheaper. So it's probably trying to target people that aren't really big buyers of gold and silver, and they don't really know how the pricing works, and they don't know how much they should be paying. So I think they're kind of taking advantage of people. But you know what? At the end of the day, it is silver, so it's real. I guess I can't complain too much. Although I feel like for a bullion coin, the premium's just way too high. I personally really do like buying the American Silver Eagles. I bought quite a lot of them in the past. These are tubes of 20. I actually have over a monster box of Eagles. So I love buying them, but right now the premiums seem to be higher on these than other silver bullion products. So in general, I would say right now maybe stay away from the Eagles. Look more at like junk silver, generic silver rounds, 10-ounce silver bars, stuff like that, and you'll get a little bit better of a price. So maybe don't even buy Eagles at all right now, but especially don't buy them from Amazon. So have you bought from Amazon before yourself? Did you have a good experience or a bad experience? Do you feel like you were taken advantage of or you paid too much? Feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, is there a reason you should be buying from Amazon that I missed? So perhaps something I'm not aware of. Feel free to leave that in the comment section so we all can get that info. I want to say a massive thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.